Hello and welcome to Unit 3. Now in Unit 3 we start working with variables and constants and naming conventions and different things along those lines. And this is kind of to introduce the other videos that I've previously created. Now the past week we did have some individuals that had what's a good word for it? Some technical issues, and the videos worked around the technical issues, which is perfectly fine. I have some people that automatically default to the videos in addition to what they already turn in, and that's fine because once you get in the habit of doing that, I'm totally good, because then I did have individuals that had turned in videos and did have technical issues, but I didn't need to tell them about it because I already had the videos. So, and it's, once again, it's not a requirement, but it certainly assists the kind of the going back and forth where that's concerned. The discussion was pretty good. Kind of going through the algorithms. I had some people that would take a look at the algorithms and try to apply it to things that they actively use. I had some people that used mathematical formulas and then turned those into algorithms for solutions, and that was a great idea because a lot of people could relate to it. But when you're working with this particular week, make sure that you understand the variable naming conventions, such as if you have something that contains a name, if it's a string, it's str name, something that represents the data within it, and also the data type. Now, something that did happen is when you're looking at the difference between text boxes and labels, an easy way to look at it is text boxes are meant for people or the user to put input into. Labels are meant to give output or feedback to the user that they're not necessarily going to interface with. So labels are a good way to protect the values that are in it. And you can make a text box, lock it down, make sure the user can input it and things like that, or you can just make a label. So kind of keep that in mind as we go forward. Continue with the good communication, turning things in. It's been really good so far. I've really enjoyed the conversations. And if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me. Otherwise, thank you very much, and welcome to Unit 3.